Okay, so I'm at the lockpicking village. I managed to open this stinking lock twice, and now I'm going to try to do it again.
When it's not mounted in the door, you can do either.
Oh, really?
Let's see. Okay. So here we go. Take that out. Lock it. Let's see if we can do this on camera, on cue. As you can tell, I'm really miserable at this. But put in this thing, hold this here, and make sure there's tension. And here we go. I don't really know whether or not the technique is as it's supposed to be, but it's worked twice thus far. I'll see if I can make it work again. I think the key is, at least it was the last time. Maybe was it this way? There we go. Was to keep the tension on this thing, and I'm probably doing this completely wrong, but it seemed to work twice. Getting these tundras. My hands get really tired. And there we go. Done. Sweet.
Did you record yourself?
Yeah, I did.